two-piece wheels, blackout wheels, Lux wheels, exotic wheels, gold wheels, brown wheels.
Oh my god, that wall is so nasty. Uh-uh.
No matter what wheel I'm feeling, eBay Motors has the right parts at the right prices. That's right. From our toughest times, America has always built a brighter future. In these tough times, we'll build our brightest future yet. Our hands, our ingenuity, our labor.
Alright.
Stronger than we were a year ago today.
Alright, this is the anti.
Land of the brave. I've never been more optimistic about it.
Oh, the milk must have not been coming out fast enough because now I actually feel it pulling. So, now my milk is pulling so my fat man can eat. But he's very animated now that he's 2 months. Very animated while he's eating. Doing a lot. Now, alright. I'm holding the phone up some because he might just let go and pull off. And I don't want my business all aired out there. So, alright. This is our afternoon feeding. Jay and Jemai, pick up all the toys off the floor, put them back in the gate. Jemai, put the cup, no, on the counter. Jay, put it in the sink. It's all gone. I know it's gone. Now. Now. Get out. Pick up all the toys. Do do do. Do do do. Do do. Do do. So right now he's pacified. His lips are moving actually. So he's eating. My boy is eating. Jay, stop jumping, babe. The floor is lava. Okay. So now he's just sitting on it. He's not even eating. It's like a comforting thing that babies do. And they want to pacify on your boob. But, yeah. My baby is eating. Hold on. As you can see, now his cheeks are kind of moving. But not so much. Alright, he is done. He just pulled off. Now let's try some burps for you. So I don't have my light hooked up. He's sleepy, but we gotta try and get a burp. Usually, oh, there we go. Got some of that cookie stuff. Come on, fat boy. You're alright. Y'all move from the TV so me can see. Did you hear what I said? I don't want your neck to be hurting, fat boy. Look at you. Sorry. There you go. Waiting on the burp. You see this baby? Oops. Reflexes are always there, even when I think they aren't. Come on, fatty. You okay? I want this up on your neck. So I put my hand up under his arm. So when I hold him with this one hand and not this other one, that's how I was able to catch his head or pat his back even. His whole body is stable. Like I have control of his whole body. This is a great position, right? So like I said, you got the hand behind the back, underneath the underarm, and the two or the one finger under his neck. I used to be able to do one finger, but now that he's so fat around the neck, I have to do two fingers or his head's gonna go like this. And then I just pat him, but doesn't look like he wants to give me a burp. He keeps trying to nap. Come on, fat dad. Burp. Yeah. Now I prefer this position for smaller babies. He will throw himself back. So then we can still just do the one where I turn him on his side. And he's laying on me, so there's no way he can fall or anything. And I pat his back. And he sits here. Sometimes he doesn't want to be patted this way, but right now he's not complaining. And he probably... Jemai, stop. Jay, get out of my kitchen. Put it up. All of it up. So... boy. So he still hasn't burped, but he's just relaxing. Sitting here. Chilling, I guess you could say. But, so that's the video, basically. I like to put my baby in this position, laying down. Jemai, move away from Jay. Jay, get off my door. Sit. Go over there, Jemai. Get out. I like to put my baby like this, laying down. He usually falls asleep to a nap with me doing this. So right now he's dazing, spacing out. So that means he's usually about to pass out and take it down. Like this, or like I said, putting your thumb underneath their underarm with the one hand and controlling their head. Jemai, go sit in the kitchen. Sit at the table. Yeah, or that one where I put my hand under his back and just hold his head. I like that one for when they're smaller, though, because, like I said, he's big, so now he just throws himself back, or his head could just wobble. But no. Or I could just pick him all the way up and put him over my shoulder. Like, what do I say? Oh, put his arms over my shoulder also. So, yeah. That one usually shoots the burp right out. So if he's really fussing and he's crying and he can't get the burp out, I take him, throw him over my shoulder, and pat his back. Well, not throw him over my shoulder, but pick him up and put him like, I don't know how to say it. Okay, so let's see, like this. Instead of having him like right here with his head right here, I put his arms, there we go, behind my shoulders so I could pat his butt. And you can hold his head just like this, and he's not going anywhere. Then when I let go, he's still not going anywhere. But yes, I prefer those two positions. So for now, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Say thank you, Zai. Thank you guys for supporting the Sweeney's, and we are out.